One thing that the 79 team did, okay, and just to talking to them and knowing them to this day, they had great pride of playing for Indiana State. They really did. And to this day, granted they've done something special, they take great pride and they watch and they follow us all the time, okay? Just play like you got great pride. Play like the good dudes that you are, and play for each other, okay? Let's go. Play better this one. Okay, let's not. We had that one bad spurt in there. One bad spurt in there, but you got to believe. No doubt can creep into your mind. You get a deflection, you make a bad play. Okay, go win that next play. Go win that next play. Fellas, I just want you to thank these guys, introduce yourself, tell them where you're from, and shake their hands. And we've talked a lot about you. I think they know the significance and what you guys done is unbelievable. That kind of stuff doesn't happen anymore. And you can see through the community how much it means and how much it's important. And I felt like when Larry got the mic, he was talking right to you guys. Now, he watches you, he's observant. And those things he said, I hope you were listening. The guys that did their roles, played their roles, it takes everybody to achieve something, and you got to want to put in the workload. You're capable. There's no question. You're capable. So that was a great message, and I appreciate it. Craig, thanks for hosting it, and all you guys. Anytime you come back, it's carte blanche here. I promise you, we'll take great care of you. I love having you back and being able to speak, and I really appreciate the fact that you're still Sycamores and you're watching and you support us.
Oh, you I'm Blake Rick from Iowa. Okay, you were Staley.
Playing good, Rich. Nice.
Homeboy. He's my homeboy. He's from St. Louis, man. I'm gonna put you in Easton.